Hello, my name is Lilian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. Today makes it day 9 of since I started my locks. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash routine, and I'll also be giving you tips on how to care for your starter locks, things you should do to your locks and things you should never do to your starter locks to help it grow, you know, luscious and thick and healthy. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then please keep on watching. In my last video, I talked about how my journey has been so far, my regrets, whether I miss my loose natural hair, and when I'm going to be going back to my loose natural hair. So if you guys have not watched that video, I'm going to link it up in the iCard just so that you guys go and watch it. So today, like I said, we are going to be washing my hair, so let me go ahead and change as usual to my wash day shirt, and then we shall start the whole washing process. Wait, but before we go, let me show you guys my hair, because I feel like by the time I start changing clothes, it's scatter everything. So let me show you guys what my hair looks like after 9 days, so you guys can see it has kind of thickened a bit, like it's kind of like fatter, you know. The parts are becoming non-existent. You know, I feel like it's getting more firm. Let me go ahead and show you guys the back. So yeah, I'm back, and well, I actually forgot to cover my hair when I was changing shirts, and now I feel like I may have lint in my hair. Anyway, you guys already know what you do. If you are not new to my channel, you know what time it is. First thing first, I'm going to go and wet my hair, then I'll come back to start applying the shampoo. So I'm back, and I feel like the longer I stay, like the longer my locks, like the more my locks mature, the better the shape. Like you guys can see, the shape is better than last. Actually, I cut the ends also, so that's probably why the shape is nicer. So next thing I'm going to do is apply my soap. You guys know this, I've done this 1 billion times. So I'm going to be washing my Dudu Oshun black soap as usual. Just in case you are on your locks journey or you're just starting out your locks, I know people say that you should not wash your hair until like after a month or something like that, because washing your hair will prevent your hair from locking. Well, that's not completely true. Especially if you have kinky coily hair, like you can wash your hair as often as you want. For anything, washing your hair often or like wetting your hair often, basically water will help your hair to lock faster. I have mascara on my lashes. I was feeling kind of in the mood for makeup today, so I went ahead to put some mascara. So I don't know if it's going to start pouring because I've not used this in years. But anyway, just in case you guys see my under eyes are getting black, just know that it's the mascara on my eyes, just so that you guys will not panic. So now, of course, I'm going to start applying the soap. I have my satin scrunchies, like your satin hair accessories, is very, very, very important. Especially, it's very important when you have natural hair. It's even more important when you have locks, because if you do not use that, you're going to have lint stuck in your hair, and nobody wants that. Like, my hair looks so good, oh my god. Like, every time I see my hair wet, I fall in love with it all over again. It's not like my hair doesn't look good when it's dry, but I feel like I'm more drawn to what it looks like wet than dry, because when it's wet, the shape is just so much better. It's just more obvious, like the shape of my hair is more obvious when it is wet. So yeah, like I was saying, water is not the enemy. When I was a loose natural, I preached about how important water is. Water is life, water is blah 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 blah, and it's not any different with locks. For me, I know that I'm still like really young in this locks journey, so I cannot, at this point I feel like I cannot really be saying stuff and be giving tips, because like, who are you to be giving us tips, you that you just started, you know? So that's why I just want to keep quiet for a while, until when I've been locked for a little bit, then I may start giving you guys tips, just for those of you that have locks or intend to start your locks journey anytime soon. So as I'm applying the soap, I'm trying as much as I can not to pull out hairs from the lock, because if you are being too rough and like you're not even taking your time, you may start to pull out locks, like strands of hair from the locks. So I'm trying as much as I can to prevent that, and that's why I'm being extra gentle with the application of the soap. Then when I'm done applying the soap, of course, I'm going to go ahead and just massage the scalp just to make sure that, you know, I'm cleaning it properly. Now, you don't, like I said, you don't have to wash your hair at this often, you know, it just depends on you. Like I said, I keep saying like I said, one of the main reasons why I decided to lock my hair is just that freedom of getting to wash my hair anytime I want, as often as I want, you know. So of course, that routine of don't wash your hair, leave your hair for a month before you wash your hair, like, I just, from the beginning, I know that it's not work for me, because I like washing my hair. So that's the main reason why I'm even locking my hair. So we shall wash. We will wash. But like, this is not to say that if you are someone that doesn't like to do this, you have to, like, you don't have to wash your hair this often for it to lock. Like, you really do not have to. I also noticed that every time I wash my hair, it kind of like shrinks more. You know, so you may want to bear that in mind if you decide to follow this routine of washing your hair frequently. Although shrinkage is part of the locking process, like the more your hair shrinks, most likely the faster it will lock. So you can as well just let it shrink once and for all, and you know, that kind of thing. Another thing I want to mention is, like, if you've not started your locks journey yet and you're looking to start, I would advise that whatever method you choose to use, whether you choose to use the 2-strand tweeze, braids, or even this my Lilian Okibe temporary locks, do not do it on blown out hair, do not do it on blow dried hair, do not do it on stretched hair, because that will give you the illusion that you have long hair. Like, it's not like you don't know that you have long hair, but like, if you do your starter locks on stretched hair, it will give you that mind that, oh, my hair is long, and when your hair starts to shrink at alarming rates, you're going to get discouraged. So I'll recommend that if you're doing your starter locks, don't do it on stretched hair. Do it on wet hair, you know, do it on shrunken hair. Just do not do it on wet hair, just so that you not end up feeling bad when your hair starts to shrink. That's just my own advice to prevent heart attack. Another thing I want to say is, if you can, I feel like it's better for you to start on already healthy hair, trimmed ends and all, you know. It will just make the whole process pleasant. If you are starting on healthy hair, like, your hair is what will lock. Like, it is how your loose hair is, that's what will eventually lock up. So if you're starting on healthy hair, like, it's not the best. Your locks at the beginning stages, your locks will look scraggly, you know, until when it probably starts to mature and stuff, and then those scraggly hairs, and get into the locks, maybe it will start to look better. But at the beginning stage, I feel like if you can, it's better for you to start on healthy trimmed ends. That will just help. I feel like it will help to make the process easier for you. One thing you should not do with starter locks is over styling, like doing, like, when your hair is still in this beginning stage. I feel like if you want your locks to grow thick and like voluminous and luscious at this early stage, stay away from unnecessary styling, doing like tight buns. I know at this early stage, because your hair is not really locked and everything, it may be very, very difficult to go out because at this point you're probably going to feel like you're looking crazy and stuff like that. But I really do not recommend doing stuff like putting extensions, wearing braids with extensions and all those kind of things on your starter locks, because that will just thin out your locks right from the beginning, right from the foundation, and at the end of the day your locks will not be as thick as you probably want them to. So at this early stage, I feel like you should just stay away from those extensions you know, styling your hair with extensions, and also stay away from doing all those tight ponytails, buns and stuff. As much as you can, try to leave your hair loose, like doing it thin, looking scraggly, you know how people say scraggly, looking unkempt. Try to leave your hair like that. It will do your hair more good. At the end of the day, your hair will grow luscious and thick, and you'll be happy. You know, so just endure the present shame, because I know many people are ashamed of going out with, you know, starter locks that is like frizzy and stuff like that. at this stage, just try try to endure the shame. Another thing is, if you're always wearing head wraps and all those head coverings that are like tight, because at this beginning stage, especially if you start your locks with these temporary locks, because the hair is like still soft and things like that, it's going to be, it's at this point it's easy to mold your hair. So if you're always wearing hats, caps and all those kind of things that compress the hair, at the end of the day your locks may grow flat. Like they may not be, if that's the look you're going for, then that's fine. But if you're looking to have like more like cylindrical kind of locks, then I highly recommend that you try as much as you can to avoid wearing all these tight caps and head wraps and all those kind of things that will be compressing your hair. I'm not saying do not wear them, but don't make it an everyday thing. The best thing you can do to your starter locks is to wear them out like that. Me, the most I do, like sometimes if I wear like head like caps and stuff occasionally, but the kind of caps I like to wear are those ones that are just basically visor caps where the hair is exposed, but just like the part that covers my face. At this point, I find them to be trendy and like fashionable. So those are the kind of ones I pick. But basically, stay away from things that will basically alter how your locks form. I love wash day. I've always loved wash day, even when I was a loose natural. Now that I have locks, I still love wash day. So I'm going to go now and rinse out the soap, and then we'll come back to moisturize my locks. So I'm done rinsing out the soap from my hair. You guys can see how juicy and squeaky clean my hair is. I just love how my locks look when freshly washed. Like, it just looks so healthy. Anyway, so let me go ahead. Next thing I'm going to do now is apply some shea butter. I moisturize my hair with just water and shea butter. So this is what I've been using this since when I was a loose natural, but like now I no longer apply as much shea butter as I used to. So I just apply just a little bit. You know, I let my hair tell me when to stop. Just a little bit, and I make sure that I work it into my hands, I work it into my hair, so that I do not cause build up. So I'm basically just applying all over and just working it in. So the next thing you should not do to your starter locks is compare your hair or your journey to somebody else's. Like, just like with natural hair, everyone's hair is different, everyone's like curl pattern is different and stuff. That's how it is with locks too. Like, people's hair lock at different rates. Like, someone's hair may lock very fast, another person's hair may not look as fast. So it's actually a killer of joy to compare your hair or like your journey to any other person's. So try as much as you can to not compare. However, having inspiration is totally nice. And another thing I feel like you should do with starter locks is make sure that you're constantly watching videos, not videos of long luscious hair and just stop there. Like, if you see someone's hair that is long and luscious, try to go back to see what that person's hair looked like when they started their locks journey. I bet you see that it was probably like yours, you know, and that will just help to motivate you and basically keep you in the journey longer. So when you see that, oh, so this person's hair, like, every time you're feeling discouraged, just try to go online, see people's journeys, see where they started, and see where they are now, and that will basically help to motivate you. But do not compare your hair to anybody's hair. So that's what I feel like I should tell you guys today. For now, I don't apply anything on my scalp, just because I feel like my sebum is enough for now. After a few months, I'll just see how my hair reacts now with just not applying anything on my scalp. And then if I feel like I need to apply anything, I'll probably start applying Jamaican black castor oil, because my hair actually loved Jamaican black castor oil when I was a loose natural. But I just want to give this a try. Just wait and see how my hair reacts now before I add any other thing to my routine. So that's basically all for my wash day. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. There's water in my eye. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me and would like to see how my hair will progress, then definitely keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up. straight.